How you guys doing? I'm Kent Tilley. Welcome to Studio 1106. I'm sorry that Jason's not here. This pandemic and him being busy actually building cool stuff, he's not here. But today I'm going to teach you guys how to build one of these bath caddies for like $10. It's a super easy project, and if your wife is anything like mine during the pandemic, she might be saying things to you like, look, if I don't get some free time away from you in the bath with like a bottle of wine every single day, most of the day, I'm gonna fucking kill you. And so for $10 and like half an hour of your time, you can actually make her a little bit happier. And it's a very simple, kind of fun project to do. Hopefully you have all the tools to do it. God, maybe use ear protection. Alright, so we've got sort of the main board. We just got to clean it up after sand it. But now I need to cut 5 pieces. So we need this little blocker for, you know, the iPad or whatever you've got in there. Book, I guess. And then we need this backer. I made it easy, and I just had another piece behind it here. And then underneath, you're gonna need pieces like this so that when it's sitting in the bathtub that it can't go like this. Talk about was it is kind of hard to sand this thing because you can't really get your fingers in there. I mean, I know we've practiced getting our fingers in tight spots or whatever before, but one of the easiest things I find is to just tape a piece of sandpaper onto a stick, probably have one in your garage, and just rub up and down, just give her up and down, right? Perfect, we'll just clean that up a little bit, clean up the corners with sandpaper, then we'll put it together. All right, so now we just got to put it together. I did use the round over bit on the bottom. I have flipped it over. The first thing I'm going to do is put these things on. So the last step is to finish it. I never actually talk about this, but I should, because it's a big part of it, and finishing is like actually kind of the most important part. So before you do this, just make sure you sand everything really well. Make sure you get rid of the glue that's kind of peeled out or whatever. Just make sure it's nice. And I like this Kona stain. It's nice and dark. One coat does it. Super easy to put on. Just make sure you stir it before you start.